Here is how you can make your Android device look like iOS. So first of all, you need to head over to your Play Store. So first of all, we need to search for Launcher OS. And then once you search for this, you want to click on the top search result right here. Now, once we click on this, we can then click on install. This is absolutely free to download and install and even use. So what you want to do is wait until it's finished downloading, click on open, and then from here, it will just take a couple of seconds to optimize. Click on consent. And then what you can do now is just simply wait until it's optimized for your device. Now on this screen, you want to select your language. So if we click on English for me, click on continue. And then on the next page, you will then be able to click on next again, click on next again, and then click on get started. Once we do this, you can then choose a wallpaper. So for me, I will just choose this one. This one looks really nice. I can click on continue. And then from here, what we can do is we can click on continue with free version. Now the free version does have a few ads, but this for me is not a problem. It still looks really good. And what we can do is wait for it to go through. Now, as you can see, it's just preparing and optimizing. This will take a couple of seconds. And then once it's done, you can then click on the screen to start and open up your new look. Click on ignore. And then as you can see, if we scroll up, you can ask AI. If we come down and scroll through our apps, it looks like iOS, and then you can go through and use this as you would usually. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can make your Samsung device look like iOS. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.